Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to import bookmarks on Duckduckgo browser. The first thing you do is launch your browser, which we have done right now to the Duckduckgo browser. Next thing you're going to do is click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then you can see bookmarks, click on it, and then you click on the three dots up here and click on import bookmarks. And then you choose the browser you want to import the bookmarks from. Let's say I want to import it from Google Chrome. Then you choose whether it's only bookmarks you want to import or with the password. Let's say I want to import both with the password. So passwords are encrypted. We recommend setting up auto lock to keep your password even more secure. You can set it up with Duckduckgo settings. So next, click on import. Import complete. So no bookmark or password were imported because I don't have any bookmark or password on my computer. So for if you did, you'll see the import. It will show it to you. Click on done. It's as simple as that. That is how to import bookmarks on Duckduckgo. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.